What if everything you see is just the surface? Behind the glamour lies a system few dare to expose. Shadows are lengthening. The network expands. Every ticking second, a new secret is revealed. The patterns are undeniable. The truth was never meant to be seen. What if everything you see is just the surface? Behind the glamour lies a system few dare to expose. See the world's most powerful, smiling for the cameras. But beneath the surface, reality glitches, revealing hidden patterns and symbolic imagery. Coded messages and secret handshakes, overlaying our very existence. Cinematic motion graphics connect the dots between monumental events. Bold headlines, and the powerful figures pulling the strings. From old Hollywood's dark secrets to today's breaking news, a hidden history resurfaces. Every tick, every glance, every document revealed, dark corridors hide secrets. The truth was never meant to be seen. What if everything you see is just the surface? Behind the glamour lies a system few dare to expose. A hidden architecture controls the narrative. From the earliest stages, a calculated deception unfolded. Every ticking second reveals a deeper agenda. Through hidden passages and whispered truths, the truth was never meant to be seen. The truth lies hidden in plain sight. A fragile past, concealing dangerous secrets. A shadow cast by unseen power. What if everything you see is just the surface? Behind the glamour lies a system few dare to expose. Whispers of the past, echoes of power. Time is running out for the truth to hide. They walk among us, cloaked in secrecy. The truth was never meant to be seen. What if everything you see is just the surface? Behind the glamour lies a system few dare to expose. Shadows conceal the true architects. Their influence spans generations, across the brightest stages. From old Hollywood secrets to today's breaking news. Every glance, every ticking second, a hidden message. Behind closed doors, agreements are sealed in silence. The powerful weave a web unseen by ordinary eyes. The truth was never meant to be seen. What if everything you see is just the surface? Behind the glamour lies a system few dare to expose. A meticulously crafted illusion. An unseen hand, orchestrating the grand illusion from the shadows. Red carpets, flashing cameras, a dazzling, fragile stage, about to shatter. Then the true patterns emerge, breaking the curated facade with digital force. Encoded within sight, messages meant only for the initiated, revealed in a blinding flash. Connecting the dots, headlines, events, the powerful few, a global conspiracy exposed. From forgotten reels to urgent broadcasts, the narrative unfolds in a torrent of truth. Eyes watch from the dark, as the clock of truth ticks louder, faster, unstoppable. Through shadowed corridors, the clandestine journey to truth begins, revealing what was never meant to be seen. The truth was never meant to be seen.